All of these cars look so good. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Check out that view, guys. STO 720S, Porsche Turbo S, Haas's cleanest, sickest M3 G80, probably in Georgia. Haas! Haas! On three, on three! 1, 2, 3! What's good, fam? Welcome back to Unlockable Character. We are heading up to the BP on Pleasant Hill to meet up with the DDATL Exotics crew. Should be a really good time. We're gonna go to a car meet together, cruise down so we can get some footage. Car is still cold, so not taking it too fast right now. It's actually a pretty cold day. Got down to the 40-degree temperatures. It was 70 degrees just a few days ago, and in the afternoon it'll be 70 degrees again. It's just that time of year. May and late April in Atlanta have the craziest swings in temperature. I love being able to preview the shot on the iPad. It's such a cool feature. You know I'm listening to Laser Dim right now. Car is now warm. Some of you may know a channel where the YouTuber, his name is Misha. I believe that's how you say his name. He's down in Germany at the Nürburgring, Nordschleife. And he takes out all kinds of amazing cars, stock, modified. Fans of his channel, they show up, and he's an excellent driver. And that's just amazing, you know what I mean? I'd love to get to the Nürburgring. If you guys have been, if any of you are in Germany, let me know. Tell me what your experience is like, who you recommend to, you know, drive with, rent a car from. The interior noise when you're cruising at highway speed is perfectly fine when you have, you know, the mid-pipe, downpipes, valve controller fully open, intakes. It's really manageable. Like, this is not bad at all. You know, 900 horsepower cars 10 years ago, it's not a car that you would have wanted to go on like a road trip with, because it would probably have been like absurdly loud, unless you specifically didn't, you know, want a loud exhaust. Nice sunshine coming down. Tires are still pretty cold. We're in rear wheel drive mode. I'm gonna take it easy till we get there, guys, and then I'll pop it on once we're around the exotic crew, all right? Who pulled up in the 488? Or is it an F8? F8 Tributo. R8. STO. Jaguar. New Porsche Carrera with satin PPF. And then a 458 back there. And plenty of cars down here too. One more view of all the cars. Green on green 720. Huracan STO with the absolute insane PPF details. Looking like a meetup of the Avengers right now. Got Tony Stark's twin turbo R8 right now on beat locks. Crazy. Got the supercharged Jaguar. Another STO looking crazy gorgeous black and red spec. R8 Spider, F8 Tributo, Carrera X, and you too, man. Put the address in. It's a pretty nice drive over there. Shit looks crazy. I can't believe this dude is out here in shorts. It's like 50 degrees. So sick. Even the license plate, Ferrari 458. day you see an F8 and a 458 like this.